This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Samlol sugar-free new refreshing flavor sachet is designed to support liver health. It provides an easy way to consume essential nutrients for liver detoxification. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for managing various liver conditions, particularly those related to hepatic encephalopathy and heightened ammonia levels. It is often used to mitigate symptoms such as confusion and altered consciousness due to deteriorating liver function. By doing so, it aids in the treatment of associated diseases and promotes overall liver health, ensuring better detoxification. How it works. L-ornithine converts toxic ammonia into non-toxic urea, facilitating its elimination through the kidneys, thereby reducing the toxic load in the bloodstream and supporting liver detoxification. Directions for use. Always follow your physician's instructions when using this medication. Dissolve the contents of 1 to 2 sachets in a large amount of fluid, such as a glass of water or juice, and consume orally 3 times a day during or after meals. The correct dosage will depend on your specific condition, and it is crucial to continue usage as directed by your healthcare provider to achieve optimal results. Possible side effects. This medication is generally safe and associated with minimal side effects. However, if you experience any unusual symptoms after consumption, it is essential to inform your healthcare provider promptly. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised when taking this medication, particularly in individuals with severe liver disease, renal insufficiency, or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Regular monitoring and dose adjustments may be necessary to avoid potential adverse effects. FAQs. 1. Can I mix the sachet with juice? Yes, you can mix it with water or juice. 2. Is it safe for pregnant women? Caution is advised, consult your doctor first. 3. Can I consume alcohol? No, avoid alcohol as it can worsen liver damage. 4. What is this sachet used for? It manages liver function deterioration and hepatic encephalopathy symptoms. 5. Are there side effects? It is generally safe, but report any unusual symptoms to your doctor. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. Your health matters, and we're here to help.